Okay, we've taken you inside of Seguin Hall, but now today we're going to explore the other buildings that are around Seguin Hall. This is kind of the older part, and I've taken you to the freaky deaky movie theater over there, but I understand like this stuff over here, finally when you get a map, it was like the old, these were, I think back over on the, across the street was like the boys' dormitories, and there was like the women, and then like the children, like way the hell out here. But this part is like the old power plant, I know. But what's really kind of creepy about the URBEX today is, like, where is John Carpenter? The fog. Oh man. Yeah. When you're gonna go into the haunted place, and you gotta walk through the fog. And because the smokestack is like the power plant. This was like probably this was like there was a movie theater here, but this must be the other dormitories. I'll leave the light on for you. No thanks. Okay. But we are going into the foggy, creepy. I'm not going up I don't want to die and go up those like icy stairs. So I'm not we are not completely stupid. So let's I'll take you. Actually, let's take the dog off. The dog. Unleash the beast. What happens when you unleash the beast? Let the URBEX. Let the dog guide the expedition. I'm going to take a very fast look inside here. No. Stay there. Don't come in here yet. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is hella creep. Very, very creep. Oh. No. The dog's smart. The dog is not in here. Yeah. We'll go to the other. The dog's out there. When the dog's really smart. It's like went up like 50 degrees. Okay. We're gonna see if we can get into some of how they treat women and children in New York. The disabled women and children. Let's see how they treated them, huh? Shall we? Because I think I've gone over this in other videos where I'm not in the fog. This place is going to be torn down, I believe, for development. Like, it's going to have, like, yoga studios and things. Yeah. Yoga, anyone? Yoga? Here. Let's do yoga here. No, thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. Oh. It's a no-go. No, you don't want to listen. Oh. Can't keep us out of here, though. Let's see about this. Oh. There, for the dilapidated people, there's the cave-ins. Cave-in. Let's see, but what's over here? What are they, like, stacking them in? Oh, good God. Oh, wait. Maybe this was like it was like a garage or something. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Where's the car? Where's the car? Get me out. Where's the car? Get me the getaway car. Yeah. Because you want to get away from this. For sure. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Cave in. Okay. It's creepy. Yeah, let's just see where they keep what are the little children out here in the dilapidated land? Oh, maybe they'll develop this into other yoga studios. Oh, yeah. Here, kiddos. Here you go. There you are. No, this must have been, okay, I take it back. This is like the dilapidated work shed, I guess. Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap. That feeling when you're trapped. Yeah. Maybe maybe we can see. Is there a car in here? Is there a car? Anyone? Maybe, let's see. Where's the car? Oh, I I closed it on the last one. Now it's jammed. That feeling when thing jams. Okay. Oh, yeah, again with the fog. Again with the creepy fog. Let's just have a look though, where they put I want to see the dormitories for the children. And this might have been the power plant. It has to be the power plant, right? People have drone footage that, yeah. Again, the things you don't want to see in your URBEX thing. That's a cave-in, but the cave-in is better than the creepy chairs sitting out in the middle of nowhere land. Yeah, the dorms had to be way the hell over here. So this must have been like all the utility junk. All right, I take it back. All right. Well, but I'd be like, where's the car? If I was a kid, I'd find the keys and get the hell out. Yeah, definitely. Oh wait. Oh no, there's gym equipment. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Let's do some push-ups, kiddos. Oh, God. No, thank you. Oh, but hey, you could have a Dunkin' Donut. Places you don't want to find Dunkin' Donuts. This be that place. Gigi's like, no. Oh, I like Starbucks. I'm a fan of Starbucks, too. Okay, here we go. Continuing on. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see what they did for the utilities, and then maybe, I think that there's so many, to be clear, the place is massive, like 132 buildings. I think now I've got out a dozen maybe, but it's got so much to it to explore to URBEX. It would take many, many days. But we're going to see what we can get into today, safely. You get people hitting me up all the time, like, you take the dog in there? And like, the dog is its own entity. She's her own little being. If she wants to go, she comes. If she doesn't, she doesn't. But yeah, that's a little freaky. You think, G? So that's not that freaky. It's the fog that's really freaky, guys. Look at the fog. I mean, come on. Where is John Carpenter? Oh, is he down there? John Carpenter, are you down there? Down there? Are you down there? No, he's not. Okay. Oh, this is like too freaking cold. These are like tunnels and shit, and oh yeah. Yeah, and you know what? It's like, no. This is called not a good day to do this. Yeah, not with a dog. Where is the dog? Oh, the dog's smart. The dog is smart. Dog's like, hell no, not on that. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can see anything a little bit further though, because there is like a freaking, like, it's like a skate park or something in this thing over on the other side, but I'm gonna see if we can get around this side. What do you think, G? All right, I'm gonna follow the dog, right? Why not? The dog is not gonna probably. This looks like, what is it that the Hangover when they're looking for the guy the whole time, and he's like on a mattress. It's like the dark Hangover. You're really hung up out there. Yeah, things you don't want to see. Oh, what is that, a crow? That's good enough. I have the raven tat. It's a good thing for good people, as long as you don't do dark magic with your magic. Mine is magic's the east. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's sort of dark. There's like fog drifting through it. Oh God. And then you see the things again that you. Oh, really? Let's see. Ow. Oh, for real, yeah. Okay, I got the punchline. There's a guy who's been there, right? There's a dude who's been in this place. Signs you know a dude has URBEX before you. Oh my God. Okay. Should we go a little further down, see what we can find in the utility G? And G's like, I don't know. Yeah, and again, like, I took you into Seguin Hall, which was very scary. That video is up, and then this is what it looks like from the, if you're like coming up from the utility part, and you want to see what Seguin Hall looks like, it's right over there. Yeah, but yeah, you could probably skip, don't spend the night. Or if you do spend the night, probably don't spend the night there. That's not a good spot. That would be places not to sleep. Okay. So I think it's ironic, but the front side of the Seguin Hall, the main part, is like locked up tight. We got in, we just put, amazing when you push the door on the back side. It worked, it was fine. But yeah, so let's see. Seguin, anyone in the fog? There it is. Maybe, let's see if there's a front or side door we can get in and do a bottom floor X. It looks like a door. No. Oh, I hear kids. I'm like, at least the kids' voices are not ghosts. There's like a school over there, so that's all right. So anyway, this is like to infinity and beyond, to Seguin and beyond. Dun, 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 dun.